If you're one of the many people trading E-mini or micro-emini futures and you've been struggling to be successful and profitable, this video is for you. Wouldn't it be great to know where the market is going to trade on any given day before the market opens? Well, you can. I want to use this chart as an example. This is a one-day chart of the micro-emini with 3-minute candles, and I have two vertical lines at 9:30 and at 4 p.m. to denote the trading day. On this particular day, the market opened down here at 44.38. Now, prior to this market open, I sent people who are enrolled in my E-mini trading course 3 numbers. I sent them 44.68, 44.62, and 44.90. And I told them to mark their charts with a horizontal line at 44.68 and to place a rectangle on their chart bounded by 44.62 and 44.90, and I denoted this as a trading zone, the area between 44.62 and 44.90. So prior to the market open on this particular day, students enrolled in my E-mini trading course had these numbers and had this information on the chart. Now the market opened down here at 44.38. So how did I know that the market would trade up in this trading zone? And how did I know that this 44.68 was a relevant number? Well, you might think that the market trades haphazardly and without rhyme or rhythm. But the market has a rhythm that can be calculated with a fair degree of accuracy to determine where it's going to trade the following day. If you enroll in my trading course, you'll receive these numbers each day to prepare yourself, to prepare your chart, and have knowledge that most traders don't have. I'm Marv Eisen. Enroll in my trading course at timelessdollar.com. You'll be a more knowledgeable trader, and in this business, knowledge is power.